17. Scary vacations. Never stopping isn't a sign of strength, but of fear. Legendary entrepreneur Elon Musk recently shared a private issue with the press. He is afraid of taking a break. He was quoted as saying, "The first time I took a week off, the Orbital Sciences rocket exploded and Richard Branson's rocket exploded. In that same week, the second time I took a week off, my rocket exploded. The lesson here is don't take a week off." It may be a brilliantly logical man showing his superstitious side, but his phobia of vacations echoes what many of us believe: you can't afford to stop. Evidence now shows that you can't afford not to stop. You can't afford to stop. Evidence now shows that you can't afford not to stop, but there are many reasons why you should believe you can't have or don't deserve a break. Number one, you don't have a structure in place. Have you enabled your business enough so that you can actually be unavailable for a few days? Very few of us have. It goes beyond vacation though. Personally, unexpected health issues and family emergencies have put my work to a standstill. Enabling coworkers, subordinates, or even our brain trust is key to feeling better about taking a break. It also requires putting your ego aside and realizing that denying yourself time to recharge does not equate crushing it as an entrepreneur. Number two, you fear your competitors will quickly leave you in the dust. Often in our minds, competitors are no-dose snorting freaks of nature that never rest. They're just waiting for us to pause so they can take the lead. Even the noblest professions have a ruthless edge, but stopping actually gives our minds the chance to create a strategy we need to win. The greatest entrepreneur of our generation, Steve Jobs, took infamously long walk breaks. Stopping also prevents us from tinkering too much on our products. Finally, we are less likely to go into extreme thinking and ruin what we spent so much time building. Number three, you are afraid of facing what you've left behind. Startups can easily demand all of our time, to the point where many of us have given up on having any type of healthy social or family life. What happens when your business closes, or you have a successful exit, and you have nothing else to focus on but your life outside of work? It's a scary thought, especially if there are a trail of broken promises and strained relationships laying in your ambitious wake. Unfortunately, avoiding personal conflict just prolongs, if not exacerbates, the issues that aren't being addressed. Facing those demons is akin to the popular proverb about planting trees. The best time to do it would be 20 years ago. The second best time to do it would be today. When is the last time you actually stopped?